Hey, it's Super Bee Show with BBSBs. It's Thursday, October 5th, 2023. It's probably about 1:30 in the afternoon. It's about 63 or 4 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 mile an hour per winds. I've already looked in the yellow hive. I'll link that video in the below, description box below. They were not ready for me to pull any honey. They're very defensive. Was it going to be a pleasant experience for me? Keeping bees with a smile, right? That's the goal. So I did pull 5 frames from that hive. I'll need to have to go in and probably further pull some a couple weeks when the weather is cooler. Oh, scarred bees are back. I think in this hive, the purple hive, I do have comb in the attic. So actually that's the main goal. Pull 4 frames today. That would be awesome. I'm expecting they will be just as defensive as the other hive though. So it looks like I'm not doing anything, but I'm trying to lift that lid. They propolized that lid down pretty good. I bet you they propolized all around the lid. Smart girls. Yesterday I thought I saw a girl use this back right underneath the roof to gain access to the hive. Can't see through the vent hole, so that's why I think they have comb up there. They've propolized along the edge with the hinges. That's what I need to crack now. There we go. As I thought. So we get some fresh comb today. Let's see what I'm doing. On the lid. Two spots on the lid. Okay, hopefully these girls are going to be chill about me cracking into their hives. I don't know about that though. Taking their comb up there. Oh, what a mess. It's time for winter, girls. I know it doesn't feel like it, but it will be here sooner than you think. Okay, I see a drone right there. There, one right there. So they haven't kicked them all out yet. Okay, I think I just got to get started. Get this off of the roof. On the roof. They built it on the roof.
Okay, can I use all of this?
Yes.
Both sheets?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks like something science fiction.
It is. And I can't complete the, there's too many bees, they're too active.
Yeah, I see them.
They're not happy with me, so.
So you're not going to be able to do the comb thing today?
I took 5 frames from there. I mean, it should get down to 10. So there's 18 frames in there. I still have 8 more frames to take out. It's just too warm. It's too early. Like they're not all clustered like they should be. I had 19 frames in here without a divider board. They built it probably 1/2 inch wider than the frame. This side's got some honey in it. This side's frame 16 and they're noticing me now. It's heavy on both sides. Honey. Did you see how pretty the sunlight is going through both sides of the comb? Frame 15. Oh, here we go. Here's where they don't have a lot. Let's go back in. My next task is to shave some of that comb and wax off of that frame so the divider board will fit right next to it. I just place what I shave off into my takeaway tub. Have you been noticing that the bees from the roof comb have been congregating right underneath that lip? I didn't notice that, and at one point I put my hand right in the mess and suffered several stings. Luckily, I've got those thick gloves on, so I didn't really feel it. So I just remove each section piece by piece and put it in my tubs to be crushed and strained later. So there's bees clustered up underneath the roof. So when I wedged some of that comb, stuck my hand in the cluster, got a whole bunch of stings. Okay, we're all sticky, and that's as good as we're gonna get. Even 16 frames in. Is that right? Oh yeah, because the 15th frame had honey on one, kept honey on one side, but not on the other. 16th frame, same thing. So I'm guessing the rest of these got various amounts of honey as well. We got a cluster of the bees up there. I'm not sure why they outlined right here too. You can go down and join your sisters down below. I'm not gonna put the pillow up here because there's a lot of honey up there. Maybe I'll come in later this afternoon and slip it on. They'll have the honey cleaned up by then. Alright, this is Super Bee Shirley, PBS Bees. And recap, I'm pretty sure I took 3 frames out, put the 2 divider boards in, and then 1 empty one back here to make sure the divider board is up or stays upright. And hopefully we won't do anything in the attic over the winter. I'll buzz you later. Bye. Anybody else want to get in there? Is you home or not? Are you Robin? Yes, little stinkers. They got in through this. Yeah, there's a little bit right there. Everybody get out.